Hey, what's going on guys? This is Fahad. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create a beautiful modern and multi-page WordPress website within 10 to 15 minutes using templates. Actually, this is the same website that I have made last week. That's around a 4-hour 30 minutes long tutorial where I have shown everything step by step from scratch. So if you want to watch that video, I will put that video link in the description, or you can just click on this info icon at the top right corner. From there you can watch this complete tutorial. But let's say if you don't have enough time, like if you don't have 4 hours and 30 minutes time to watch that complete tutorial, but if you want to make your website live today instantly, then you can watch this tutorial. By following it, you can make your website live within 10 to 15 minutes using templates. Like I said, it would be a short tutorial, so I don't wanna waste any more time. But please, before moving forward, give this video a big thumb up and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel, because you may not find this kind of valuable video into your home feed all the time. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. So right now what you can see is just a fresh WordPress install. So here I'm not showing you how to purchase domain hosting, all this. For those you can follow my other tutorial videos. For this one I'm assuming you already have your web hosting and your own domain, and you already have installed WordPress. So this is just a fresh WordPress install. So far I have not installed anything. So first I want to install some necessary plugins. So from the left bar, let's go to plugins to add new. The first plugin I'm searching for is Elementor. So let's just install it and activate it. Alright, now from plugins, let's go to add new again. This time I'm searching for essential add-ons, this one. So let's just click on install now, activate it, and let's now click on add new again. This time I'm searching for WP forms, so this one, contact form by WP forms. Let's now click on install now and let's activate it. Alright, now from plugins, let's go to install plugins. So just to make sure you have Elementor, essential add-on for Elementor, and WP Forms Lite plugins activated into your website. Then let's now install our theme. So from appearance, let's go to themes. Actually, we can use any theme because the templates I will provide that supports with almost any theme. But personally I like Astra theme a lot, so let's click on add new theme and let's search for Astra. This one, I like Astra because it's super lightweight and fast. So let's now click on install. Now let's click on activate. Alright, we are almost ready to go. Let's now create some pages. So from left bar, pages, from there let's click on add new. So first I want to create our home page. Let's click on publish, click on publish again. Now from left under pages, click on add new again. Let's now create our about page, click on publish, click on publish one more time. Okay, now let's create few more pages really quickly. Alright, let's now click on all pages to see all our pages. So we have created all these pages, and now I want to change the permalinks. So from the left here you can see settings. From there let's now click on permalinks, and from here instead of plain let's select the post name option. So our single pages URL will look like our domain name, then /, then the page name, instead of this kind of bizarre numbers. Alright, so make sure post name is selected, and let's now click on save changes. And I do wanna change one more things under settings. Let's now go to reading. From here you can see your home page displays. Instead of your latest post, I want to select it a static page. So I wanna make the home page to home and the post page to blog. Let's now scroll down and click on save changes. Alright, let's now have a look how our website is looking at this moment. So at this moment it looks super boring and super ugly. We will make our beautiful website out of it really quickly. But first we should fix our menu, right? So let's go back to our dashboard, and from here appearance, let's go to menus. Let's now create a menu. We can name it main menu and click on create menu. And now from left, let's click on select all the pages and click on add to menu. From here, I don't want this sample page, so I want to delete this one. So first home, and then about, then the services, and then under services I wanna make the blog services, but I want to drag it a little bit right to make it the submenu of services. I also want to do with the business services, also with this e-commerce services. So these three are the submenus of services page, and then here blog and contact is fine. And make sure from here display location primary menu is selected. Let's now click on save menu. Let's now go back to front end of our website and refresh the page. So here we can see our menu perfectly. Here is the drop down menus, everything looks fine. Let's now add our logo really quickly. To add our logo from this top bar, let's click on customize. Now from left here, click on header, then click on site identity. Here you can see the option for logo. So let's click here, select logo. From upload files, click on select files. Let's select this logo, click on open, select this one, click on skip cropping, and it looks super big. Let's just reduce the width by dragging this bar to the left. Let's keep it 80 pixel, and then let's scroll down. I don't want to display this site title, so let's deselect this one. Alright, our header looks perfect right now, so let's click on publish to save our work, and then click on this X to exit. Alright, now let's create our home page. So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard, go to pages, to all pages, and then here you can see the home page. Let's now click on edit, and then click here edit with Elementor. So right now we are inside Elementor page builder, and like I said, in this tutorial we will be making our website using templates. So I already have made all the page templates for you, and you can get all the page templates from my Gumroad shop for a very small fee. I will put that Gumroad shop link in the description, so you can just go there. You can read all these instructions and features, and then just click on I want this, then put your email, then you can use PayPal or your credit card to purchase it. So just after purchasing it, you will basically get this zip file, says agency all page templates.zip file. So all you need to do, just unzip it. Then you can see this folder named agency all page templates. Let's go inside these templates. Then you can see all these JSON files like homepage.json, aboutpage.json, single service page.json, contact page.json, all these JSON templates. So let's say if you want to create this home page, and all you need to do, just click on this folder icon, and then from the top here you can see this icon. It's the import template icon. Click here, then click on select file. So from that agency all page templates folder, for the home page, select the homepage.json, this file. Now click on open. So now here under my templates you can see agency home page. Let's now click on this green insert button. Now click on yes. Boom, here you go. So here you can see everything is editable. Like here, instead of Jim Fahad production, you can write here anything you want. Like instead of production, if you want it to say company, Then you can write here your name, your tagline, then these buttons. Just click on this button. You can change the URLs from here, button text from here. Each and everything is editable. You can change the background. Then here all these sections. You can change all these services, all these icons, all this text, everything, each and everything is editable. Here you can change all the client testimonials. Then from here you can change all the logos with your own client logos. And after changing everything on your way, you just need to click here on this update button. Then it's all done. And I already have made these all page templates mobile responsive and tablet responsive. So to check it from here, responsive mode, let's first go to tablet. See, it's looking great on tablet device. All the section looks great. And if we now go to mobile device from here, see on the mobile device here, this drop down menu, it looks perfect. So let's now close this, and all this section looks great. And it's really super important that you need to make sure your website looks great on mobile device and tablet device, because nowadays most of the people visit your website through their tablet or their mobile device. Alright, now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Click here, exit to dashboard, and then let's go to all pages. This time click here on about page, click here on edit, click on edit with Elementor. Again click on this folder icon, then click on this up arrow, the import template icon, click on select files. As we are going to make our about page, so let's select the about page.json file, click on open. Here we can see now agency about page. Let's now click here on this insert button, click on yes. Here you go. So from here you can change all this progress bar text, progress bar percentage, everything from the left side. Then let's scroll down. From here you can change all your team members' pictures, their name, their position. You can change their all social links. You know, these are super easy. Just click here on any social icon, and from left click on Facebook. Then you can put that team members specific Facebook link or their YouTube link or LinkedIn link. So you can change everything. If you want to change their image, just click over on this image, and from left here you can choose your team members image. Then again here you can find the companies we work for section. So after changing all this information with your own content, just click here on this update button to save it. It's instantly done. Also, these all pages are responsive from tablet device. Everything looks perfect on tablet, and if we check it from mobile device, each and everything looks perfect on mobile device. Alright, now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Go to pages, to all pages. This time let's now create our services page. Here is the services page. Click on edit. Now click edit with Elementor. Again click on this folder icon. Now click on this up arrow, the import template icon. Click on select file. As this is our services page, so let's select services page.json, select this one and click on open. Here you can see agency services page. Let's now click on insert, click on yes. Boom, here we go. So in this page you can add your different services. Like if you're a web developer, here you can add blog website service, then you can add your business website service, then you can add your e-commerce website service. Then underneath that you can see the nice number counter here. So not only a web designer, if you are on any other profession, you can showcase all your work history or all your past work records, your clients numbers using these nice number counters. And then here is the contact us form. I also have designed it for you, but you cannot see it right here because you need to create a contact form by your yourself. So if we now click here on this box, let's click on this pencil icon tool. You can see here on the left it says WP Forms, but here underneath select forms we cannot select anything because we have not created any form by ourselves on this website. So for now let's just click on update to save it. Now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard and let's now create a contact form. That's why we have installed the WP Forms plugin. So you can see a tab here, WP Forms. So hover over on it and click here, add new. Let's give it a name. I'm naming it James Form. And then from here, let's select this one, simple contact form. Click here. So from here you can create your contact form, like if you want to have first name, last name, email address, comment or message field inside of this form, you can keep it like this. And let's say if you want to add more field, let's say if you want to collect the mobile numbers of your visitors, so from the left just select this one, numbers, click here. Then here you can see the numbers field added. And if you want it to the top of this field, just simply drag this at the top of this field. It's done. And let's say if you don't want it, just from right click on this delete icon to delete it. Okay, for now let's keep it. And if you want to change this submit text, all you need to do from the left, let's click on this settings. Then here you can see submit button text. By default it's submit. Let's say if you want to change it to send, then you can keep everything default. But if we go to here under general, here you can see the notifications. So here you can see a field says send to email address. Like whenever anyone fill up that contact form and hit on this submit or send button where you want to receive that email. So by default this is the email address that you are using on this WordPress website. So basically you will receive all those information as an email on that email address. But if you want to receive that on a different email address, like on a different Gmail or Yahoo email, then simply you can just remove it and put your Gmail or other email address here, and then you can keep the rest of all these fields the default one. So you basically don't need to mess with any of this. Trust me, these all default settings are fine. And then under this confirmation tab, from here you can see the confirmation type message is selected. So whenever anyone click on this submit button, right after that they will see a message says thanks for contacting us, we will be in touch with you shortly. But instead of this message, if you want to write any other thing, you can write that from here. Alright, when you are done with all this, just simply click here on this save button. Now click on this X to exit. Now let's go back to pages, to all pages, and we were creating our services page. So here is the services. Now we can directly click here on edit with Elementor. So let's now go to at the very bottom of this page here. So this time, as we already have created the contact form, let's now just click here on this pencil icon, and from left here select form. Let's now click here. You can see the form that we have just created. It's Jim's form. So let's select this one and we can instantly see this form. Cool. To save it, let's just click on this update button. Now everything looks perfect on this page on desktop. If we go to on tablet view, it looks perfect. On tablet view everything looks perfect. And then if we go to mobile device, everything looks perfect because I have created this all responsive for all devices. Alright, now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Now let's go to all pages again, and this time let's say if we want to create a single services page. For now here we can see our blog service page. So let's create this one. So click here on edit. Now click on edit with Elementor. Now click on this folder icon, then click here on this top arrow icon to import our template, then click on select file. Then you can select any of these like single service 1, 2 or 3. They are almost similar. So for this one, let's select the single service 1.json. Let's click on open. Here you can see agency single service page 1. Let's just click on this insert button. Click on yes. Cool. We can see our single services page here. So on this single services page, you can change the services name from this top banner. If you want, you can change this background image. Just click on this 6 dot icon. Go under style tab from left. And then you can change this background image. Then from the next section, you can change all of this, everything you want, all this text, all these images. Even if you want to alter these 2 columns, just drag this column to the left. It's instantly reversed. And then if you don't want that, just press Command Z or Control Z, depending on if you are using PC or Mac. So to undo anything, if you are using Mac, just press Command Z, and if you are using PC, just press on Control Z. That's it. Now on the next section, here you can create your nice FAQ section. So here is the frequently asked questions and here's the answers. If you want to edit the question, just click over on this question, and from left you can edit all this question and answers. And let's say if you don't want any of this, just click on this X to delete that question. So that's gone. And if you want to add a new question and answer set, just click here on add item. So here you can add your new question and answer from left. And then underneath that, on this page, you can also see the contact form options I have made for you. So all you need to do, just click on this pencil icon, and as you already have created your contact form, so you don't need to recreate that each time. From the left bar, just simply find that contact form, so select that one. Here we go. So when you are done, click on the update button to save your work. So in this way, you can create all of your single services page. And let's now have a look how to create your contact page, because I also have created the contact page template for you. So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard, go to all pages. Now I'm searching for contact. Here's the contact page. Let's click on edit. Now click on edit with Elementor. Click on the folder icon, then click on this top arrow import icon, click on select file, and here you can see contact-page.json file. So let's select this one and click on open. So here it is, agency-contact page. Let's click on insert, click on yes. Here we go. So from this contact us page, you can change your phone number just by clicking here and put your phone number here on the left. You can change your email address. Just put your email address here on the left. You can change your physical address from here on the left. So you can change almost everything, all these icons, all these texts, and then here you can change all this text from left. And on the right side here, I also made the contact form option. So all you need to do, just hover over here and click on this pencil icon. Then from here, select form. Let's select the form, James form. Here you go. And then underneath, you can see the Google map. So to change it to your address, just click here on this pencil icon, and then here location. Let's say I want to put this same location, so I'm copying this address from here, and then I'm going back to this map. Click on this pencil icon, and I'm pasting the address here. You can see the Google Map address immediately. Also, if you want, you can zoom in or zoom out the map by dragging this Also, if you want, you can change the height by dragging it to the right or left like this. But I want to keep it like this, 300. Let's keep it 350. Alright. So when you are done with updating your content, just click here on this update button. It's done. Your beautiful website is live. So you see, you can purchase all these templates for a couple dollars and you can make your website live instantly. But if you want to hire a professional web developer to create a beautiful website like this, they of course won't charge you less than couple $1,000s. So here you can make your complete multi-page website only spending by just 10 to 20 bucks. Alright guys, so this is it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like it, please give this video a big thumb up and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel, because not only these type of tutorial videos I make, I also make in-depth step-by-step website creation tutorial from scratch. So please make sure you like this video and subscribe this channel. On that way you won't miss any future videos. Once again, thank you so much for watching. For now, bye bye.